If you've forgotten your Apple TV Plus password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Apple TV app. Launch the Apple TV app on your device. This can be done on your Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, or any compatible device where the app is installed. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. In the Apple TV app, navigate to the Account section. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon or selecting Settings from the menu. Step 3. Select Password. Once in Account Settings, look for the option labeled Password or Change Password. Click on this option to proceed with the reset process. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. You will be prompted to enter your current password. Since you want to reset it, select the option for Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Step 5. Create a new password. After verifying your identity, you will be able to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember and confirm it by entering it again. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Apple TV Plus account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.